Tap send there. If you see a fan baby obia, so what Europe and America, Canada. So kura Android, so kuta iPhone, and once I download the app na two phones. In the process, maybe say promo code ADN. No about Insure FM Ashaho, a basa automatically no. Yeah, chow £5 and €5, and we are more Europe. So America na Canada, yeah, chow $10 for free. Oh, send this cancel. Yento Tap send it there. No fee.
Hey, they just say okay, tap send. Papa no.
Yeah, Ojo. What's on this channel? Okay, any I'm checking my sound from. Kaish. Soon tap send party jack. Mama we are saying can you? Hey, me ndaba.
Ofa, pacha mama mfro.
He no kwa woni abri say.
Masonya ye hye nana.
Na den.
Se baby ameti ye tumi o. E na me wo fa send me sika. Di nkan wo de kosi wo business ni pakura discount. Yo de ba ye nso ami koyi a e ho sem bebre. Afi kwa do mo busam sem my transaction ho hoda. Ah!
Debbie. Enke chipra catch off say on download tap send. So download tap sender or send this come away. About the mobile money and our bank account simple.
Tap send.
Yeah, tap send. Now okay, tap send there. If you see a fan baby obia, so what Europe and America, Canada. So kura Android, so kuta iPhone, and once I download the app na two phones. In the process, maybe say promo code ADN. No about Insure FM Ashaho, a basa automatically no. Yeah, chow £5 and €5, and we are more Europe. So America na Canada, yeah, chow $10 for free. Oh, send this cancel. Yento tap send it there. No fee.
Hey, they just say okay, tap send. Papa no.
Yeah, Ojo. What's on this channel? Okay, any I'm checking my sound from. Kaish. Soon tap.
Man, me gusu a me ne wo hwe FM yade e twere yade ne ho asem na ye hwe focal impaired awareness seizures no ye complex partial seizures no and ye hwe ho adesua na ma kire se eno no dodo no ano koso a nipa no broni beka ne se ne consciousness no enye intact sa ebu ono ma ohun de ekoso kra na bia ebu a gese wo no waka kire no and also KuroYiMuNsem no ewo ho na medical no wahwe bebre a obetumi akọ Barima Kofi Dawson me Facebook page no akọ previous ones no said ye ehun nsem sitie na afi wo to aso se ye watumi anya mu ntiase ye pa enra ye hwe se wo mo ya we no type we no eya nsenkyereni ni bia behu ne se bi wo a omo ka oma no boso bibi sa te se wonya aduane eda o bo wadum tototo no te se mo am wo Facebook ni de mu hu se de meyi sanete obeye ato aso na nani ho so se ebikura na no yesa na se keka bom sa eno so yensenkyere ne eda ne ho adi afi no behu se binum nsa no sebe ebu a etimi epon ase kakra ebe pon ate se de ebia wayiri bibi mu no ase de wofa de bi no apon kakra se sa for be 30 seconds to 2 minutes ansa na etimi ejai a wono ankasa enni so control ekyerɛ se bibi ekoso eduru ba bi nso a womo etimi ebia esore na onante ebra onante a okɔ no ano nani nini ho so ebi kura wo frɛ no kura onte ebi nso kura ba bi a ono a wasɔre afiri akonwa mu na ba bi ɔwɔ no akoduru animu hɔ no na onhu de eba ya wabegyina animu hɔ ono ankasa asɔre o a wo hwɛ no a ono a ne nante firi dam hɔ epi abonti ko gyina animu hɔ na eye ne se dan kura na mbepie animu ha na mete dan mu dan na mbepie ha kyese bra wo nante ni nyina no na saa eye awoso no koso adwene ni mu no nti no ama adwene ni dwumadie ne manani nna ne ho so nti wo kɔ no wo hunu kura so wo nante ndi saa de we no bi wo nipa bi so a eba 30 seconds to 2 minutes saa de we ebitumi ama obi kura etwika obitumi anya nkwanhia because sabre ni da no so I said ni da no ho so a nani gu so won so bibia wo so no ma hu se yade bi ka no ba ekoso adwene ni mu nti no sabre no ano emeka ne so wa blackout bibia enye yi ne hu ni ne ho so ohun hwe it is a seconds to 2 minutes na saa de ni besi no bibia betumi asi so wo kɔ no bibi na wo ho obepim a obetumi apem mu uduru ansa na nani aba ne ho so saa de no nyina no nsenkyere ne eda ne ho adi ho nti wo ho na itae bia na wo ba bi kura bra wo kai ne se ne bia na atedem wo behwe no unhu kwan fa so kra ko gina anim ho ubisa obi o so a omo se wo wa na wo twa mu ha wo wa na nante ko gina ha wo I say sa kyerɛ wo sɛ biribi kɔ so na ɔma bi si a ɛma w'ani ma wo ho so wei nyinaa yɛ nsɛnkyerɛnne a ɛba wabrɛ a obi nya saa ɔhaw yi anaasɛ saa wosoɔ no kɔ so wɔ adwene no afa baabi no nti yɛ a na wahyɛ no nso nhyira 104.5 wei your mental health on KuroYiMuNsem Sɔkɔban Fatilo ɛde KuroYiMuNsem no ɛbɛtoa yɛ so na Sɔkɔban ɔde ne nyina brɛ na adrabafoɔ no a mowɔ Sɔkɔban no adrabafoɔ a mowɔ Sɔkɔban no ɛnura ɛsɛ deɛ moyɛ no hɔ no ɛnyɛ papa sɛ kwan no nya mobɛ complaini ɛkwan no yɛ so a mobɛku nipa kyɛ sɛ yɛdwene mo ho a yɛnte aseɛ bra ɛdeɛ na ɛsi wɔ kuro mu
akɔkɔa anɔpɛ dɛ mewura wo ɛkwan nkyɛ bia ne ɛyɛ nkyɛ bia
ɛkwan nya buei ɛyɛ kwan so a buei kyɛ sɛ Ghana fo driver fo nimbro nya yenim sɛ bibia yɛ fɛ sɛ yɛasesa bibi nti yɛso yɛmfa sɛbe adwen to ho na yɛnya ne nkakra oduru kurom a ɛhɔ no wɔkɔ 120 kyɛ sɛ
akɔna bia premier sports na mse mekɔ yɛ wɔ Sɔkɔba mpame na bɛyɛ no mensɛm wɔ na menya kɔ ne ba na sɛ kɔnhyɛ bi asi wɔ Sɔkɔban
right
obi onim Sɔkɔban bi ado aso kɔ onim kakra pharmacy ni mini na ɔkwan no next one o ma me ya on side one no
okay
lady bi etene shop ni mo
onye re
yes mo wan say hwi na kana kwakura shop no
ade
gan ya akokwa
but se nkwala akora etwam ana ya asem ano maami bi kan se was say no empanimfo ameboa and most of the places in so as nipa no ewo ho bebre kura no ye ni zebra crossing bia wo ho and no kura driver ni wo nyina
akokwa bi wo mu nyina
because the other time ma me ko is utimu say baby a wo kan oba wanim kakra bia wo say community no ebinumo stores shops wo manfo be cross akoto ade any ade those areas anka stores wo no kura no nka waduru krumu ese wo to bo ase be ho no so mesre o mo fa zebra crossing ni bi stores because baby a me duru ye no I don't know the particular place name ni ye pa but shops I mean by 4-5 manfo hu so o mo cross me kra na mpese me koto nsuo na very difficult go speed will be there but na aka so wo twam a one re na nkwala nso wo community o
akokwa nwa na police for kwan na so check speed limit
okay
to mo so mo gina car no
wanyina
because speed or dey banana odene
se o say Ghana no driver for ni di boni say no ya ne ya fa ne accident we meda
debi amuti free say ya ko bu so na me feli break
on feli
enya Sɔkɔba nkwa o enu a eye na me ko ye no accident say e wo Sɔkɔba ampeyo wono
yeah
sanso na say pass one so ba ko say ma nipa no so firim kwame opon so ko to banku ni tilapia aba ampeyo wono ma panyan
we no mo ya na community na keka mo ho abom no ma ye speed ramps wo kwan mu wono eno so kra local ones na kemwa e kwan no mo ye so na mo ye best rempanimfo ayi roads and highways ni ade no yesre mo sei no na regional engineer onu mo nhwe na ya kwan no mo ye to so wi a mo hwe so contractor na ya obeye speed ramps ni bi wo because driver for ne de wo ye dan a efie nyansa no ebi ni bi
ekwan nyina from Daban to
ebi ni bi
me nupa na oso eno kra ba bia school bi wo Daban bo so mo
school so de ya no aye ma de nkurase ni nyina kra wo fa wo se school so no janse do tie but community ni inside no so nipa cross ha adwen
yesro ma enu pa kokwa me video ne kirewa
areho
sister no nyankwa kra nko bebre because a feeling sisi ebesini na sin na kan gina so
wa ku bi kwa
what in shop yenti bi otwa kwan mu
tu ya na de ahia
odin sana na ko ntimi me show sense ni no beso begina na full speed
o rekura wa twitwa bi so
ade ma feel break o ku stay ya wa we na sino e twen the posting ne banya 2 years kura
sometimes me kan me say adra esise ya na ya ne accident ni ya ne na ho na afi ko hu abusuan ni atwam na drivers ya twi bia so den ebi de be deterrent ama afoforo be de namase ne afa no accident bi wo ha je say abusuan fast sports
na for the currency
na omunhwe regional engineer ne highways monhwe na
what dey you cry for the meantime no ekwan no say no omonfa guide race ni bi yede emra wo cause ka dey aka tifi na for
cry be to me aboa hadwen Ebusia ye go fa KuroYiMuNsem aba.
As you see, chance na KuroYiMuNsem ya boabo no ena no page ni nyina de bo dwuma so Premier Sports on KuroYiMuNsem sima edu de ni na poso nko a ena no pema chance ma se kunyam de nyina e de ebro dwuma so no pemedin e Jonathan e se betima from Sokoban Fatilo Steve John na no kwasa madaroma ena mo bo machidam ensem do so pi Black Queens of Ghana ensem wonum say Samson the Black Princesses almost ensem wonum say Ghana Premier League na o twere e bi no wonum nemom jebo MTN Cup one of system seminar at Abraham apartment can be troubled and quite a misrow. Man Betano, you phone is here. Number www.betano.com.gh number portable this year. The trouble in essence say I want to quantum welcome bonus of 2,000 Ghana cedis. Near some boostu winners na be beyond so at my come no dia na pay can to see them and now from my minister upon CB to trouble to dia Mr. Mananya Betano. Now what company ko Abis gold group adornment or the kind of in Ebochi near the national USA Canada na Mexico near Cocobo and Yakomana be beyond so at me I come Mese fa kwantre so man kwanchen e ma connection my bien do sika enkonkodi da bi e Abis gold group omadoroma and World Cup 2026 no Ghana for na ye dey chirem e USA Canada na Mexico na be bien so etimi kama etimi edema obi bia me poto ya package no your standard your corporate economy and of corporate business na sana package no $8,900 per me sure face here I was 0537 804-885 0537-804-885 and answer 0545-995-223 0545-995-223 na be bien timi kama entimi from anopa bia make sure so breakfast no ebe milo esan say eno na won ewom abofo no kosko make sure say the breakfast no e milo pin so ko adwuma make sure so breakfast no e milo esan say vitamin D ashemu mu a ebonya won pin na bibia enso so etimi kama etimi edama me guso make catch so betwa bet ne nkwara me show mananya beta no esan say wonko a enema welcome bonus up to 2,000 Ghana cedis near say boostu win is na bibia so etimi kama edama you phone we betwa aviator and say any sporting event you phone is here nebo www.betano.com.gh na bibia entimi enya kama entimi fama ententem so enhyan some say enfa fi the Black Queens of Ghana ugu so prepare yenim say na match busu mendim me ba cho WAFCON tournament ne beto Morocco na emperifo ne hye agwa kwam edama the Black Queens of Ghana we no F4 nations tournament beto dwa UAE from 28 February ekopim 6 March na nations ne Ghana ewom Russia wom Konko wom and of Tanzania now the GFA president ayo opinion for the catch okwaku catch the abusan say na san share no den tina we the Black Queens of Ghana so omo prepare so the omo yama mema na sana ma ya no so omo do maximum support so betima mo na be bian so etimi kama
taking our minds back. The FA invested a lot in preparing the Queens for the last WAFCON. We trips to Morocco, trips to Senegal, trips to Cote d'Ivoire, and then backed by the government again to Morocco for the pre-tournament campaign. And we intend to give the team the same level of support. So that tells you the desire of this federation to see the female sport grow at the highest level. And I think that we would be in a position to offer them the same level of support and to make sure that the girls are very ready for the tournament. The ambition of the nation is to win the trophy.
And now GFA president open for a cat or Kyoku and now to the Kanama Kosiada, the Black Princesses, Machana 20 now Kono, Yana South Africa, Mariano, now we know a World Cup qualified game, a first leg. Now a class posted them in the Betoga at 3:30 p.m. Now, man, say, almost a Ghana for you, say, do ma, when a free get bodrum, never support Tomanabia, and so intimate and kama, intimate and fama or more.
Hello Ghanaians, we are happily inviting you guys to come and support us. We are playing South Africa this Sunday and it's World Cup qualifiers. We are hoping that you guys come and support us. This is Ghana and we love football. We are Ghana.
Please, I urge everyone to come and support Ghana. Vamos!
Ghana under 20 versus South Africa. We shall for Yamu support. We support 20 team. We are born Accra Sports Stadium Sunday.
Stronger together. Stronger together. Princesses, how are you?
Comfortable, don't you move time chino back? Hey, me feeling fantastic. And no, the Black Princess in Mariano, and I would say, among can phone me. Now, young furniture MTNF Cup run of 16. Now, me adamo and 11 on the Setinafien, no attorney sa RFA at Tram Divisa 3 p.m. Oh, ni a J. Kreku Sports Complex. Now, after I'm not watching a nation subsidy Atenafien, attorney sa RFA Shadow Oblaks. Now, Uroma player. Edema Shadow, I have rented from William Dankwe. What do you come back and so at me at the Afa Sagame say, I'm happy to play a Babisha Nations FC.
I think we started the league very long time ago, and this FA Cup has been since we started the league. Some matches we started one of 64, then as a time we had one of 60. As you said, our operation started with at the beginning of the season. Whether we are playing a friendly match or a league match or any match we try to get closer to. We take it as a league match, and we are well prepared for the Nations match. That's the one of 16.
All right, and now 3 p.m. Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex. Now, for me, the Sporting Club at TNS Stadium. No, turning inside FC Samatters. Side game no 5 p.m. Now, my coach, Edema Mediama, I open for the Bremen Tanko. Didn't come back, and so at me at the first game.
No, like any other game, Samatters is very strong side. I think last 5 games they didn't lose. I mean, they play very well when they go away. I think they went to Guyana and pick a point. So definitely, and they are a really threat. But I think, like I said, always we are playing home. We want to control. We want to create chances. And I think based on the training we are doing, I'm sure that we are going to get it.
All right, and now, coach, I remember the Sporting Club. Opinion from Barima Tanko and now to the for your consider true life. First of all, command says, how much an KuroYiMuNsem and a free heart of lions, not for dreams of Satrafim, out on inside and a friend allies, not for Tachima Liberty to inside and a free Real Tamalo United, number of commission short to inside and a free Tamale City of Fantablos, Kumasa Santiago Quatrafium, 3 p.m. on the Adriana FC Jamran channel and so at me at 10 times. No, Roma, Abrante Fono said Usana a player at the Adriana, also side game really dear. I'm over at 3 1 points no Amonsa, able to me, Aka.
The FA Cup and the FA Cup, so they will be a new say, I come home, they are coming, but I come out with about the sister, I go if you know. Supporters in the Poma or some support you, and the moment was FA Cup on the Niabra, and no mentality also. Tough, and
no player Edema Adriana FC, Abrante for the Sierra Sana and out to the coach. Edema Santiago Koyo for the Caribbean to Nebusan say, pressure that was also pressure done as soon there, and suddenly pressure getting minimum pressure done as soon as say, Yamada Cosia had 3 months more points in 7 Maka, Edema the Porcupine Warriors.
If I say no, the kind of pressure I'm talking about is wanting to win. That is the pressure, not that about anything else.
And no coach Edema Santiago comes to end out in the supporters. Edema Santiago to come and come to him. More everywhere somebody to complain. Munya to was here and for more. Maybe I better find Edema Santiago Kotoko.
But this is my plan. I know how they are. And you know, definitely. They have the right to talk. We have to work hard to make things right. But the only thing I'm begging them is they should be patient. And it just said we are not cheesy. We know. Yes, there are 5. But the Cabin 21 was a devil matches. So you can't stand here and say, we are winning.
And no, coach Edema Sante Kotoko Karim to and out in the Kano and some of those who pinamum and manager and FNO 9:30 and will be the Fuina Secunya near the Inshira Powers for Body Casepano and so at me at the banana. I am a chief writer POB a birthday. Prince Osebonsu, a one can put him and a Prince birthday bro. Happy birthday to your show. No cost one on your casino. Don't have some beer and Rade Emani come and from out. Or your Kumasa Santico support a Casepa and one can put him Prince Osebonsu. Happy birthday to you. Samson America, some senior man, MC Jojo, or some training MC Jojo and then MC a birthday bro. Happy birthday to you show. No cost one on your casino. Don't have some beer. Erade Emani Kama from International MC Jojo. And a probably Eddie Jonathan is here from Sokoban Fatilo. Me sorry so na champion ko kwa twaso de kwemu some you know at me Eddie Abramo.
Enano mekofa eye swami interchange baby a yedi dwuma no na before say meye say meka ho asem ana say meka bibi afa ho na enura bibi abebom na mepese ye kɔ nkakra na join your Facebook na yenhwe ade wo swami interchange na do dan kwa kufu ado de MPP ebese ho bo se wonum betu ho na mo na swami interchange no wo matumi aye na aboa traffic situations I wo eye Kumase particularly around swami. It is all the free so full line ho be fabric po be ria swami ene ade a na wo musu be fa swami roundabout dia fam eko Mercury magazine Mercury ho no de kwa ofin so ne ade no wo musu be branch dia fam akofa tafo de akomu akomampo no ni nyina no na traffic no ano eden ti ukoduru swami roundabout a na ani enyan ade ba ko na da santeman akoma so ne se ye benyamwa. So the MPP promise here. Now there's a document from Parliament, the Committee on Roads and Transport. One more etna so bra swami interchange YiMuNsem eba yenwa minister. That time the Honorable Minister for Roads and Highways Owura Kwesi Amwakwata on Tuesday 19th July 2022 elenu before the House of Parliament. Na YiMuNsem kakra committee ni fam no eni adwane Facebook insha 104.5 ni eni fam na wanke kan ye wunim na ni atie ni wose the Honorable Minister for Roads and Highways Mr. Kwesi Amwakwata on Tuesday 19 July 2022 laid before the House of Parliament the contract agreement between the government of the Republic of Ghana represented by the Ministry of Roads and Highways through the Department of Urban Roads and Rango Disma GV, a joint venture between Rango Construction Company Limited and Talares Disma SL, if I got the name right, for an amount of 140 million euros for the design and construction of phase 1 of the Swami interchange and ancillary work at Kumasi, Republic of Ghana. The contract agreement was referred to the Committee on Roads and Transport for consideration and report in accordance with Article 103 of the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana and Order 189 of Standing Orders of Parliament. It is worth noting that the commercial facility agreement to finance the phase 1 of the Swami interchange and auxiliary work project has been considered by the Finance Committee. Said has been considered by the Finance Committee. Now, near the Edikaya Yakayina and Sera Amwako ata at the Koto Parliament said Swami interchange, you know, Yepesi a chassis and Nesika anyone Kaya Womoye about 140 million euros. Ena Odiakoto Parliament Edimna Adiano Kosano Eco Committee no Parliament wo committees a would want tranoma be breso. One more share acquiring the enso no ya quantum ponso de no one more traso na one more say committee no ewie mu hu say sika ehia a eho agreement for phase 1 so I mean interchange ni enuma wodo a ekeka ho no wɔnom ahwɛ mu na mepɛ sɛ wohwɛ sɛdeɛ enwuma no a na ɔmbɛyɛ no ɛteɛ ɔse general items ɔmbɛtɔ ɛyɛ 23.6 million we are 23,666,000 general items a wɔnom bɛhia afei scope of work ni nie tiska no a wɔnom ɛpɛ ne sɛdeɛ adwuma no mu nkyikyɛmu ɛtie ni ɔse earth moving and demolition isɛ wɔn bɛyɛ fm hɔ adwuma no ɛne sɛ wɔn enuma bi wɔ hɔ a osi akwan a wɔn bɛbubu afiri hɔ ayɛ demolition no ɛkɔsto yɛ 1,276,953 euros na ohwɛ structures MSC wall over Facebook a bɛhu site clearance mechanical stabilized earth MSC no pavements ayebeye road restraint systems ayebeye road markings ayebeye complementary works ahodo ebebe drainages ayebeye gutters ni ade ebeyi yafa ho ni ade nyina traffic lights any other road signs ni nyina eka ho bi wono atrocho aka ho abudgeti enti wo hwɛ sɛ adwuma na nka bɛkɔ so phase 1 ni nyina no a ABC no nyina na ɛbɛkɔ so yɛ 140 million euros na minister etro sa eye budget no anaso wo yes ade no edekoto ho sei ene behia ma committee ni hwem na mpese oba ayi ii no eje famiko ho o say the project is expected to be completed within a period of 36 months from the commencement date in September 2022 mpese wo noti bibi ami wi ade me wo kamaka. The project is expected to be completed within a period of 36 months. That's roughly 3 years. From the commencement date in September 2022. There's a project, no? Almost a baby a year 36 months. And of course, a best started September 2022. No, so the committee noted, the committee noted that the provision has been made for advance payment of 15%. They've been provisions were advance payment of 15%. We're talking about over 20 million. Accepted contract amount payable in euros. This amount is to be paid when the contractor submits an advance payment guarantee in form and substance acceptable to employer. Now, assembly nyina ne to fa ne se committee a omohwe akwantemposem no etra yewura amakwata the document or the buyer or persons will be interchange in the chassis. Na committee ni hwe no mu sisika no a wo de buy no ma hwehwem awie. Na project no omu hwe ni mu se be wie 36 months. E chassis September 2022. Sabre na ese chassis. Committee ni kura also recognize say sika bia o ma make provisions e wo ho about 15% of this amount here for the total project no. O ma make provisions. Yanko ye nim to eye July 27, 2022, Parliament approved 156 million euro loan for the first phase. It is our budget or the quite 140 no. By July, Parliament approved 156 million. Say yen fan chassis a loan. No mukwaje a diabetes project nasi. Now after that, in October 2022. That's July, August, September, October. That's 3 months time. After approval of the loan, say one more encourage information project national. And another danko kufuado eba asante mantemwa. And obe kate sword say ye de ebeye swami interchange no. Na from that time, edibabe si sabri. Na ye expect say faces na midi kind chire wo no. The first phase, no, you bet me ashas yen ye. In fact, Nanado Danko Kufuado, a catcher in 2024. That was on the 16th of July. Into me mau facts, me mau the inaswa, me deba come later. 16 July 2024. Say the first phase, no, you bet me every year. By 2024, end of 2024. Another
important project in the Ashanti region is the construction of the Swami interchange, the first 4-tier interchange in the Ashanti region. The project is progressing steadily. The 3 overpasses on the Offensive Road at Anumeja Magazine Road and Ebusia Kroa, as well as 15 kilometers of roads around the Swami roundabout, are some 40% complete. It is programmed that these overpasses will be substantially completed before the end of this year. Works on the main interchange have also started, with the 3 overpasses on the Offensive Road at Anumeja, Magazine Road and Ebusia Kroa, as well as 15 kilometers of roads around the Swami roundabout, are some 40% complete. It is programmed that these overpasses will be substantially completed before the end of this year. Works on the main interchange have also started, with the relocation of utilities around the area, and will be completed in 2025.
Enti Nanado Danko Akufuado say some 3 overpasses bia near here ni say within the project the first phase no no maybe betumi akosua me ehunu no and one on one can say it will be completed by end of 2024. Jeff for overpass ni bito sumai. So ntinka by end of 2024 sabre na okasa no nanka de efa soro ne de ye hu se anya hwe kura no nke no de ya complete kesi hu se esoro de bi sei no ya complete by end of 2024. Nana Adodankwa Ekufuado and the kan nyame. It was Nana Adodankwa Ekufuado. Na enra ena the roads minister Yewura Agota eka asem bi fa Swami interchange ho. Na me pese wutie na onso wate se de tie ne ho asem maka.
Government awarded a project called the Swami Interchange. Yeah. It was a loan agreement, and because of our debt situation, the contractor can't draw down, and the contractor is struggling on the site. What we want to do is to work to complete a number of the levels. We are told that if we complete the first two levels, for now, it will address significantly the traffic situation. Once we think of doing the rest in the future when we raise the money. So those who are asking why are we not doing the 4, it's simply because we don't have the money, because currently the contractor hasn't got any money at all to do anything. I think it's better to do something about it rather than waiting until we find the loan to do that. And then when you get to Sunyani, the previous NDC government attempted building.
And Yewura Agota ensem no na ne all patch say Sika nan mature parliamentary documents say even 15% kra no ma pushia provisions wo parliament approve so mko pelu nimra ne ade since 2022 no so mo de be she project mu am yatimi akoyede mu no o kire say contractor ne start ye no was struggle say sika no emma and so project no mo ye no ehun sika ne o kire ne say enna ho entiama ayedin se wo betumi aye no for betumi complete 40 no at a time, and we say they will start hye na yedi kan se be ya ebeboa ma traffic situation said de hwochere ene ade no mfuturo ni ade no eso atumi ate na traffic na ache wotfoame interchange wona ayeye no atumi akofem na akire sika eba wo mo ayede aka na mahu se dede bebre ekoso ohia wa Muhammad Mone ada we no ma hyase and na wo mo attack minister no. But you see, I ask myself, say, aren't you ashamed of yourself? Etienne say uye MPP ni anase uye uwo nanado aban mu a enye wani wu say uye adwuma wo nanado aban mu enye wani wu say obeka so am interchange ho asem. Is a question. Enti wo ye adwuma wo ye appointee, say wo ye regional minister, say wo ye minister of state, ana oji appointment bi wona na Adodankwa Ekufuado aban mu, ana say wo ye MP in Ashanti region over 40 MPs am Ashanti region no. Mo ye MPs no. Enye wani wu say obeka so am interchange asem. Enye wani wu sa ube bie wa no say wo kaso am interchange asem. Because project we want to me has to pray. Want to me nature so bomb paye say nyame enso nanado akoma mu no onya odomeye interchange no wuntumi no obompaye wuntumi bompaye
interchange. We are praying for you. The commencement of interchange become the reality, not cutting sword. That is why we are permitting His Excellency the President of Republic that interchange. We are praying for you. The commence.
He prayed for the interchange. Wuntumi bompaye my interchange no. Se beye be hyasie. Sa abra wo bompaye na 2023. Document was laid in Parliament 2022. Nanado be kate so 2022. A delay ya me 2023. Sa abra na parliamentary committee ne say 15% kura provisions were of the amount. Ekosi say entienya wadi say nei was stronghold Ashanti region. Nana we are appointee we MPP mu a. Obeka Swami interchange once a ne. Aren't you ashamed? Now what you for na say 40 and e be any 2 tier. In fact, minister statement mu eyin wo kan say at the completion stage in e be 2 tier. Also they will start with the initial phases, their levels. And then they can't actually complete the 4th year now. But on be the edikan easy traffic. Then they will find money to continue the rest. And no ya sesana change adene boomwa, but moral rights ben na wo. So we are appointee kura na say ayiwo nanado government mu a over 8 years. Me mfam free home since 2022 project na 36 months. It is ye can see a year enka from that time no a nanado be kate sword no. Ebesi sabri enka sabri nkiye ebia road markings ne ye. But no futuro na eboyen as of nanado be free so. Because me crime when he said first phase now was say ebewie no na political talk. Because of that time na fe kra do mo start ye we. Say na ene you are talking about Swami interchange projects Ashanti region. Ye hwe ni mu nsen kam betumi ayama Asante ma your stronghold aha na MPP. Munya mu votes akese efri. Mu man futuro bo adehye wa ha. Be twa futuro Swami interchange nim. Entinka beya from 2022 to 2024 even move through to 2025 that was January. Entiki who said yaguko ta kakra bi. Nanado kan was by end of 2024 ki be hu overpass no. O free so net say na nyem futuro. And you don't have any reason say obe attacking minister no kra. You don't have any reason. Because more disappointing ya kwachire ama yawo hyenkrofo mu. The reason why some people ebufu ya o man koto aba no. Because me the disappointment I had was Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Gidi a enya wo Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo mu. And I but mo am bear me di omunim. I said hey, me nkoto aba because I know Mahama 1. Nti me nim Mahama 2 no de wo beye bia. Minim de Mahama 2 ne beye bia. That's what I told myself. To me imagine say me ko I'm just wasting my time. So I didn't even step there to go and vote. Because I was so disappointed. Nene wote wa wenya audacity to talk about Swami interchange. And some people say eno na wan so wakoma mu anso no mu a wo be ka de yenka na yeso wakodidi atem. Wo ka yeso wakodidi atem. Eno ma bi wo wa wan so wakoma mu pa wo be kan sem bi a wo ka wi be ka so wadidi nkrofo atem. Wo wa somu a wako ji hu sika se wo ji hu sika de abaye adwuma no. Anya approval say uko wanim no na say na nka mu da ho na ye easy to get the funds to complete her. Then now within by 2 years now we up to 2024 from 2022 to 2024 project ni 3 years now when you 2 years atna so when to me amfa anwie overpass no crowd promises nka end of 2024 na be wie no na wanya ya be moral right na be gina ho what edu ba bia ese yesu yako yensu yakomam na nya sa nsem bia beka na nye wo ya appointee ana wo ya adwuma na na dodan kwa akufu ado apemu a you don't have any right to complain about Swami interchange. Ma yen ka ho asem. Ma yen ka ho asem. Na yen nya hu dede. Ade anu no. Wo disappoint Asanteman phase 2 of KJT ankosi hwe. Muko se wu a mo anya no hwe. Projects bebrebe na ye hwe monumental projects esa Ashanti region. Ye nim timi banyam. A whole party ya mamos vote akese you did nothing. You did nothing. Ema bufuo be hye nkrofo mu. Mo research am ye ya, mo fa chire hwe de ma mo lusu. Yes they told you. Se mo pa bufuo no ba bi ai ba ye pa e Ashanti region. Se mo se Ghana fo bufu. Ghana fo bufu ya ba bi bufuo no ba e pa 90% e Ashanti region the way you treated us. MPP, the way you treated 2026. Yekoyachia edabi say on the February 6, 1778. The 6th of February 1778. And now France officially one more accept United States. One more please say eso mbeka ho na wo mboa mo mutumi enya wo mo fa ho die efri Britain for no ensamuti Revolutionary War a course wa America edi gina mu se wono mo di won ho de free ye beka na se British abrofo no enhye suo mu ana wo mu ni suo emu no hyase wo da bi sei on the 6th of February 1778 a wo frɛ France se wono meka wo ho na wono ntumi ene Britain for no fansie ni na ene nam so a kakra America edi enya ne fa ho die one more ewini independence from the hands of the Britain. Enti ehun sensem eno no. Na oko edabi sei no a wo eye English abrochimamu a ye British fu ya Queen Elizabeth the second and edabi sei on the 6th of February 1952 and obeye Queen ewo eye Britain manimu na the Queen of England Queen Elizabeth the second ade ne se obetena akonnwa no so no mfinhye aduonu enum ene da otena akonnwa no so ankasa da bi sei on the 6th of February 1952 after say King George the VI ifrimu ne papa na watena so for 70 years in fact what so chepa and sana 2022 be about 3 years ago odi free mu at the age of 96 edisi ekai bra o free mu no one announcement ne hu de be ye wiase as Queen Elizabeth II efrim ti 96 years and odi free mu ba wotena akonnwa no so for 70 years da ye de ne to esi akonnwa no so no on the 6th of February 1952 obeye UK longest reigning monarch wonomo ehunu ti wotena so che yie pa for 70 years because obetena so no sua no 25 years eno so ya de be kai ene day insha 104.5 we abakosem a ewo yachi ene ahwemu asem Ashanti region. What is this? I'm Yasunana, I mean, so Makuma, dear Mekanye.
Oh, yeah! Come on!
Ishra 104.5 and now, KuroYiMuNsem.
And I know Mekofa, Swami interchange, baby, ye did you na before say me yes say meka ho asem ana say meka bibi afa ho na enra bibi abebum na me pese ye konen kakra na join your Facebook na yɛnhwɛ adeɛ wɔ Swami interchange na do dan kwa Kufuado the MPP ɛbɛhyɛ ho bɔ sɛ wɔn betu ho anamo na Swami interchange no wɔn atumi ayɛ na aboa traffic situations ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Kumase particularly around Swami. It is all the free so full line ho be fabric po be ria Swami any idea na wɔn so ɛbɛfa Swami roundabout dia fam ɛkɔ Mercury magazine Mercury ho no de kwa akɔ Ghana ha yedie pe video na dudo no kura de gyan dudo no opani wa ha wono akɔfa bai adama enene agi amanfo nkwasa no adi good morning
apom to say
adumo na mo so e
ye ho no an crying
ambassador ho ye de
ho ye pa
e da okropon asipa na future life ni nyina bia beduru de
bibia bi wo ho
na no pay no ne repair and na dudo no me dudo no de mi say enye mai o mfa mre mi
kafra
sure brand doors intina abua stress
no and the abua pa obi biara wo che wo tie na no pay ye che no pa na say urade ya kasi adekasi amayenti ye ni age wa me yankwa ana no pay ye de asore
future life
ni papom de ho hia o kofi ni papom de ho hia ni papom de ho hia na kire say me de ma ye adwuma ewo hospital frabruchire nam de abaha I'm telling you say ni pa ya
de ma ni pa ye mobo
nya asam ketwa kura nya asam ketwa kura na me kan sa na no wapom de ho asem de enye obi na bebo amawo eye wankasa your health is your own responsibility
obi no maduro ma ya
debi
wankasa
enti nye wadwene say asa wo twen obi debi obi eye ne de efa enti future life eye daache wonkwa na seso obo ho ban na obusa se daache no ye chena na debi ni free ha si form a daache na hase
we dey work me as bene me boss Iradom fe editor ne ye twetwen komo bi na me so daache ade bi na me so daache metobi o se na se o daache ya na wo mi
daache na hase na no
o daache ya na
wo se misi form dura bontena daache na hase
sure
enum na wo hia future life nti wonkwa na seso obo ho ban
right
enunti entity aduane bi enwonum saa wo entity bi bi enwonum fi so ye foro no se you operation ko ade ye ntimi mem enti se waka won sa to so na ye se bem no wa bem o eni me komu no nyame nko anenim enunti na me ka kire wo se wo hia se odidi yie na aduane ba ko obedi ebeboa wo eye future life me see aduane ba ko pa wodi ebeboa wo eye future life daache wonkwa na wo bo ho ban na ye de ende ye aduane na wudi enunti future life no ekura 23 vitamins and minerals 19 amino acids me say a natural food supplement ekura 23 vitamins and minerals 19 amino acids omega 3 selenium moducare inulin dietary fiber a high in protein into obia dibi obia
bitimi
ye oba ya so ye ho a efiri akora ya wo no kosi mfie nyankopon de ma wo ye wo aduane a ye de bema wo ye wo ho aduane efiri da ye wo akora no enne ye mfanse ye wo na no pay kupem mfie nyankopon de ama no ye wo ho aduane ye de bema wo fi se ye mpese obi abeka se minya mapom dere dabi na emom no ura ho no a wo si akora no onya bosumi nsia wo ho aduane wo so onya afe me wo ho aduane wo so onya mfie wo ha me wo ho aduane
ti wo mama nya no fusuo no a wo si mini no fusuo nti bi ba na ye yi no
ye ba mo aduane edi na no fusuo no ba sa te se ye hwehwa no na woni nufu a ye mo abemduro
wow
na wo nom sago busi a na wa me nufu e ba na e ba na niema de na niema asesa urade bra niema future life fi se e aduane na wudie na me de bia de me kamfo ne se oba wo nyemo a woni se wafa ye fona de aduane future life akopem se wo be wo se mesis wafa ye fo a de aduane future life akopem se wo be wo pregnant woman waduane ye future life de ade ba akopɛ wo mu a metimi di ho adanse ye se ekura natural folic acid natural folic acid na vitamins e wo mu no efiri A edikosi zinc vitamins A, B, C, kwa kosi zinc. Na menti obiara di ewom. Future life no so go ahodo. Oba ye will be wo ha high in protein. Enti ye de bemma ye was 0 ye de bemma ye wo ne repair food no ye de bemma kire se okuwa okase na wewe ne ye se kase twi kase gregre na we ensu ogina ho asa ensem bebrebe ne ye ka kire wo emwaba mu we ni ade a wo de obedi awere ho bia wo de tutu anamo na chia me e wo so for lie alignment interchange soro ho bisa sto bia mo se mo kire future life aso ye ho enu nti nkasa no etwitwie no gregre na wewe no aduane nam de mu odi ya so ekọ gregre na wewe aduane nam de mu odi wie ya ekọ enti hia me na obi won so a ohia beauty wotumi sa wo skin no enya akono saa wo skin no enya akono enti wonim obon se pimples or se acne or whatever it is esisi wonim menye smooth saa
manini sei
wo wi de na sai entrance man nsai o
future life
entrance man nsai brana me ma beauty food na me say open no dem no beton chi afisa ndia wo bedi abosome na aso won hunu hwe be juice kan ko be juice kan ko fisa minim de America enema yedidie no emmoa ye saa future life me see ade ba ko wo me friend selenium utie borofo na wo soro pa na nso me ka tara wo say eye ahara wo ho adwuma it works on the lungs wa harawa no chi say ka tu a wo de wo gina traffic mu a wo be so hu yade no pa wo gina traffic mu a na se so green na ka ni nyina ekwa aya sai wisia aya hwesa wisia sa carbon monoxide no wo mo ton ne ma ho de the next 5 years be fire if is a car no ko wisi ne de any problem ne nye gina na ese atu a ahana de yade ne ban
wow
we say abrofo no hu ye gofi abrochire koro bi ne wa obakwa ka to ye wisi
ye hey itimi ba se se kwan mu nyina yesu
chesa semini be no duru ba bia no afanse ye de afi ne yesi so ibi nso akoyanim na me ka kire wo se emma wisi no saa emfa wo mu na saa fa wo mu na se woni ahom ka brana ma future life sinemi no wo mu no be class ana me nyina afiri wa harawa no na no ano no wona wo kro ene ko film se January the month of January yetwa mu yeho ni padudu eba ho nyina ayese yekidina ho odin wo fom yese yeko yese mikidina ye mre okọ yese mikidina ho odin wo fom woso me ko yese mikidina ye mre ko yese mikidina ho odin wo fom sanko o I can tell you for sure say January nko ade kidina ho asem don so dodo na mbisa mo sa aden tra enunti kidina ye ho odin wo fom a bibiri fisobu ha wonu nsuo ena ba yinsa sa ene de wiemu onwunu paa wo madam fu yam ne ko su wo se wiemu ye dwuna no pese ya e hold de wonu nsuo wiemu onwunu into wonu nsuo o ha o kidine no
sure
aya no nsuo na nya ice water o aya no nsuo anope me ba ya ne odi e de tea bag bi ato ayim si green tea mese nom na bebo paa nom green tea de wunya no wanom enu to nom chese nipa bia auto one ka anopa obenya na nka nsuo de de one cup anopa bia enti chese wa ho odin be gira so na ye kire ne we na se we ni so a obeka akofa ne ma bebre ese odi kan nom nsuo one cup anopa no warm water na a soften intestines no ansa na aduane foforo akom na so obi ho sare anopa no asa de okora straight onu nsuo bia ma ne ye o awacha straight fufua straight bankua straight debe o how ho ankasa o how ho be ka ka yakọ akire no na wonso na kase no na colon no edi problem ebe ba no me kan for ma so hia so the future life me kan form as we here say the future life menti say ukoto dwena wewe na usisi no wa poso a but na me ma repair food na say wonim mo so ntimi ye smooth kama na wo be kwa wade na hwe pa be men so ode nsa be fo ni mu a but na ma beauty food wa ho fe gina so ankasa wa ho fe gina so ankasa minim de America enye nkun no ne nkun no de se nwimre besa ahohoro ohuru wi ade tie anetie ntie no de te se da ho apai ne ya tete mota ne asade abom so onye hwe ya ye per solution ankasa brana mu oduane free say beauty come from within and to ho fe no efiri mu no na eba enya abonten ho na ohunu ye no me ye ne kama ama beauty me say me no betonche o fi say minim say me pese already ye kama o si so na wo ware a wa ware kama wonim da so na afi nso wa ware awie nso na ofi say wonim no ene me be mu a brana ma beauty usisi no kutu bi hawa na no so waje repair na afi o de life tonic asoso dudo no wo the life tonic asoso eno de Kofi eno de wa akora wodi ho adanse eno nti oba mema life tonic obi e dibi me atop to memu so ba bia future life ye aduane onya duru na wonom tinko gina ba mi kasa okoto duru e aduane na de America ne se mo aduane nya woduru ma woduane mum ene nya woduru
future life
ma woduane mum enya woduru chese yeni ene mo otie ya wa bruchi memu de munyi future life o munyi future life oboko esi na chi we esi ne ha ya de akese ade akese nko a yenu anu ma wo ho nyasam ketwa o
ebre
uhia ne se ni pa brand me nyina home obakuru ma so oni adaje ontime nyina home o eno ntia bibifu nko a de yin ntime nyia home so wo hedem se na de me nko ba bia me didi ni mada ontime sa obasori akọ as ye nia daje as ye nko an ye pentem ye kwai brana mi no aduane papa ni aduane ba ko pe e future life ya to petum me mu ba bia every enkran ye Ghana Telecom University opposite Abeka Junction Cars Estate fie honum ko ho na afa obenya bi wo Palace Mall Flower Pots Painters Road Palace Supermarket wo obenya future life afa ye de ba bedu asante achema gogo obenya future life Konongo future life Kumawu future life Asante Fijase future life Ejoso future life Asante Mampong future life Meduma future life baby I wanna me bobo chere we Sunyane University ubenye future life actually here Junction no so Bawasara Draw Store future life Obuase Central Market Mr. Ochere Draw Store future life Bono Techimine 3-in-1 Mother Care future life and I fay Takwa Sanad Park ubenye future life Takwa de Cape Coast and Kaswa afi Greater Kumasi nyina ya so yekase ne Sofoli alignment interchange no so ubenye future life Sofoli interchange na se ho so ho no ma Sofoli interchange so ho bisa sto biam se future life wai ne ye nkyere ye adwuma dwada de ko se memedra ko se dan ko na ye ma
future life
wapom de hu hia ye ne didi ye na nante tenetene wapom na ya no munsuo aya no munsuo na nye ice water ye ho de oba ye betua aya no munsuo na nye ice water no munsuo na fratete na wapom na Gabbrada stones na fedi adoption nipa ke we ad mi kidney we si mi kidney no munsuo wai na wono munsuo bibia abekọ
future life
ye wo ho say wapom ndini abehwe wo your number is 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 and a 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 90 future life here duane yankasa
right
everybody nshira munya
nshira osu ye share ambassador pa
yo makachira
all right nshira 104.5 future life no ho asem ano no Democrat KuroYiMuNsem na poso ene ye de etwa so de ama na afi quickly ye de aka aboso ra boko de
ovi nyame adom na wa shefugu
we nye fugu
we de
we ne kente
na da bi fugu kente wom
we ye kente
anti kente no wa she no
na we no ma ye no ayi ma blend no kakra
wo de afra
show me say it me nyina bom
okay anti dress we ham na tie
dressing we ya hwehwem second we dwuma no
tinta na busa mi wona waye ntina mi busa wi
enti me na ya asante
mampofo na
adwempa bi abɔ
chedi apo nyanko pa daruma ye ho de na so ye
adom ye ho ye pa
ye de nyame ase
na we no generator na de no
de here
asem ye mosu
emu edu ese de mu chire mi bio
we e ball na so a
mfidi a mo de betu table yi so de ya na me kra me chese
so
se generator
we no say power power on
we power bank no
yeah sure
akwa bi na ko ha dan wo papa bi ho na okoto biri bi ko e no sen ya so afa ho adwene untua nkane aka ntu ato generator we edu
we dey abetua
we dey abetua ai ato generator we kuta
eja bana mim se nen ka bia mo be ye but echire be ka ho asem
ye be dey kan ye we say
what dey no wan farm mantino
e dey no wan farm
ba ku design ya de ba na anu yi na mehwe
say ya share dressings there you say no ya share dressings we show you ana Friday be otale
en na obekan na de buy na obisa me say me de ye won and then me de ya buy na me expect say nkende e was so de buy video was out to akodi de
na say na me share coat and me share normal and we ni e fe na yi
ne de
ya mu cambrofo bi say casual we say de ende
say
hey to aso de
ma me ngrata wai na me di na chi aba
ene kra fe na say
ene de na aba
abusiafo ya mu nyina chi ene eye fia da thank God is Friday na edu fia say dia na ani gia bakrom ene e February de toso nsia afimpinu na be dia kire aduonu nsia mu na je ze eye 626 eye tu show twadi ene pomedi skapa
ya chance obedi
nya twa nko ade abedi na ya tena se dia meje so ya mansa nyina chia me kodo be emre kwa no pai me ne
adwempa hene Kofi mensa adwene papa na papa ni wani mukan
minue ni kuro mu kwan wa pa ne ka ne twa no pa gisem fiedu ansa na asanachi akọ enso akoso twuma da romanti wa bedru kumase e kasa radio so
ready
mikro wa ya
wa anya ka na yede ko
na ka etu anopa gisa na otwumi na sana saro 10 de we
group medu ni group
kwa medu de kwa medu de medu
busiambo
o sa benzi bi no me hu bi a chew ebi so ba jo so aka asemu na sa benzi bi benzi bi sana carry our
smiling benzi ana
ade fenta
benzi na no ayi zero
anwa mo aya ne bia no na penzu ano
bi tia pempem
mo we ya otra pempem so na no ho ndaba na afra no ho sa na ma na no ho
na obi
kwajo azagwaja na bi pa na obeke kan no
obusi afo na nsemre mu ode kwa me bani frase
onye me na be ye bi pa na
mfanya pepe bia na abusi afo mafa deri graphic de obokata no Kofi mampani ahye ni fugu ya wo hyede ko ehin ko na musini Zambia ho Zambia for sa omonte dressing ya mampani ahye ni fugu amoto ahye mata ade ya wo so na ade nchi ya Kofi nye omo say blouse Kofi ye bu nisu bai ye mampani ahye Natalia so
hey yerade the same style I was watching
Kofi nye
is it my blouse
get a blouse
omu a
Zambia for mamu ya kura Kofi
enti Zambia enti mu amohwe nyame ni na mo ade amashi na mo me gaza me yire na ma kwaje di
ado ye ese din getia
na me kura dia sabu kura dia kire kampani se Kofi omo se mampani sore na ade anchi ye enti wa hu no kofa na yire bra na shime no
so mo started bendwe ho
awurade nyanko
because of Montiasi.
Almost the DNA. On Mampani, I shall see to the Shana.
If we you're from Senanaya or Bahai. Oh, buy our mouth. Oh, yay! I saw one Claudia Monfa, but one was saying here for a king. Yes, I certain address or the buy. Yeah, hand me ye be. So buy you be uncanny.
Yeah, and then to my bonico.
And to my bonico.
Zambia for the and I say no.
Yeah.
Ya down for no. Now I Kofi Asama.
Swatini.
Yes, Swatini.
Kofi Asama de nim ha mampani e kasafa ho ne se o se wodwendwen ho se wode emreba ko piem ho Ghana ye na hye bedwafie na o magye atum na sa amra ne betimi aboa ama mpempi na no obu ho asa ye bo ne din se won beye aban adwuma ene e okwa na abaja pade wode ko ɛno kora nkyɛn so atwa bi a wɔte hɔ a wɔsɛ abayɛ pade wedi mo abam kwa no watɔn adi wɔsɛ saa amra no wɔde kɔto ma hyɛ badwa fie na wɔn adane mu yie pa sɛ de bɛyɛ a obi kura mpo yɛ na adwen sɛ ɔbɛtɔn ɔma na de a ɛwɔ sɛ ma hyɛ badwa fie no gitum ansa na wɔn atimaton ɛba saa so de ɛbɛyɛ sɛ bɛnta ɛna krataa wabɔ ho amaneɛ ɛwɔ anim ha na kofi so nim GN bank na banki egu ya chepa yes anka panifo kra mpo yo madwen se nkaja aban fofora bai de o nkakea ne ki ombehwe nanka o masa de asini naso nanso tete abama na ebu ha se Bank of Ghana rules out GN Bank lances restoration na chese nkaje shedi gu akwa mu se GN Bank o mun kata asem no ye be san de ama wo mu biemu no Bank of Ghana oman itika batan no ohwemu di wase da bi me kuma chaba kakransa akatai abohu amane ewo anim ha na ye maame agrada na sam so da ha o na etefo be ka hye ne so an ye be afi atwa mu nu woro dwumu ho ba bi ne se ene ekooto ahye ne se onkoda afiase finhia pore edu enum na kata abamane se no yate so era be gina abosumi dum yenu 12 months akatai wabon ho amane ewa ha na say from 15 years to 1 year na 1 year no kwampo no yesu wo twa bi dada enti aka be 4
enti enche
na agrasco eba
ye mfa say July kra 1 month no started from July kra and the first month no enti July na say July, August, September, October, November, December. 6 months.
6 months, Pepe.
January, February, January, so I count now 7 months.
7. It's a cabe
5 months.
I
don't know, say, in 12. No,
I say, no,
say 10. No, and
yeah, no, 10. But don't say 8. We'll quote no specify. Say 12
and to accumulate
yes, months no butcher. It's a car for 5
years.
Ene bia nka ye 8 and 10
12 months no be 5 months
mo mafi agrada nyina no enche obetie sise gingen ama Ghana ye de pa
ha ma afi no
me ma fi no papa
so
ma fi mami wo mra
na adwo kakra
na jamba mala ye ayede wo mra Kofi tu aso ma wie
ba me ye sure say we nu nyina no for now oba mejiri say no ma be sesa ka
oba shock obi a oba shock obi a mo amukasa na oba shock obi a be atu aso
aka 5 months ye ready be
enche beba oba fiam ye ni age
ba judge ne se ye nkan kire
asofo no omo nye ho fans mfa
omo je fans say omo ne hye nkom ne ba mu no wo se nye nkom hye
dabi
wa hwe mmerem
yes
and wo yi mmera ni mu an wo hu say esi wo ko 1 year 12 months no
nyame
nye fans ne mfa
wa ba je fans afa bi ene wo de wo krom ha
yate
Kofi anto aso
yadamase abusian for my anto aso e wo daily guide obokata no enso emu na enram na sebe dwafie wo se ayiriyo ayire se bentane nyasem ketwa na eye nhye so abato mpesua so na sebe dwani onimonyamfo eye Steven Amwa sticker and yes, January so Jan na so Mr. Speaker mo asam kan yase kasa was yanum fo ba yi o mo ba se yete sakr jo mama 24-hour economy ampa ye de sadness
na ba ko no you are the hope
you are the whole hwinim
Mama is the hope.
That's why I'm not hwinim.
beba mra se bedwafie wo boso pe na jese obi a epe bi ni tiawura enti sticker no ayese na ni bre wo kompa papa ni abrofo so akese ye di
almost so mpeso mo establish wo hwe bill ni mo mpeso mo establish 24-hour economy authority na so ma behwezi mi fan say authorities ahodo won say your national service authority other authorities be bre mo hwe policies are holding behind you person establishes our authority ni bi na and so abehwe 24-hour economy na specifically and the company dom kuma na ka ne chese your ministry of trade ni ade and industry ni a wo so betumi aboa wo be nya supervisory room betumi aboa ma na koso ba
for the boys
debate ni guso debate ni guso
enti na adongo Isaac Adongo ono no ye Boko Central hu Brasi Bedwani ene no no so defend gidi nyasem ketwati eno wasem na delegate no pay ono so de abey na owie ye no ana wo kire se dama gwa bato mbesu asom na Sebedwani eyo no nyamfo Samuel Abdullahi Tinapo ene wo kire se ohun se nkomodie bi ahyase wo MPP amanyuko ni mu ena we na be sori a running mate ne dia yemfa ma obenten yemfa ma asumasi di one ne ko dada na ya sesa no ntimo no so sesa wo sesa nkomo ni nyina no adwebere wo mo fa nso nwunu nguso ni anka ni nyina hye kakransa na mo hye ase ni nkomo beboa di nkabu ma ba manyuko mu ansa eno ena beboa wo mo na sabe running mate ni de emwa katafa to so me yansa ena nsemi ensum nchechiremu ni nyina no ewo na opanyini a MPP abemo no odi djumadi de boa ewo eye National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program NEP eye Owura Kofi Ofosun Kansa ona na yesiwu akura yese no a ono so yakoso ne pachi se kukuro ena di fo akoso di mu yese o mra me yi nsema no djumadi okodi ye no ase awia nche da mombo abi
also omo airton scholarships we make allegation I think that was on some FM.
Okay.
And I will say scholarships no more tom.
And this is for ton scholarships no
scholarships in Nyagro. Nti mampeni ema order so nhwehwe mu nkoso.
Okay.
This so far o ma invite no say o make.
Ofa na e de wo mara.
Sa dance nti aboa sasa ofa de ano.
O de kire. Nti ni onko kirim.
Nti wonko kirim.
Enti ano ho asem e wa hakata fe to so eye nsia. Ena nsem ni chechemu ni to aso nyina wo. De kwadodi ka de ma amoyi. Eno so asem wo ha. Agrada sisi ade aja bosumi dumienu wai nya so onko shimu
ni kunu si we the happiest man on earth enra
sa eni aja
na no wayi ni singlet bi na ni aje na tade no kura che se wo pe baabi ato agu
eno mfa se siama no na nya no oh okay
na eze na ni aje anko na ma ya
ya da se inti del guide de no
yo na mehuro bagina the punch da ubo krata no owura first no pe baabi a wo bia me wache kwa so nkoso na punch ya de ensam nugu ya pa so otwe ho nwi na unim se aben wo ye na adwen se nka the Public Utility Regulatory Commission and Energy Commission for no PURC
onevo
asan me kan want Public Utilities Regulatory Commission PURC
okay
me hitis are odwumi ana me vim article
enye hwe number 17 number 17 wo mo ayede
na botre ni nyina ne se abenye senka wone sa PURC foi any Energy Commission obeka o mabom na PURC for no omudwumadi o ye ne se omubu nkane aton e ma ya yusu nkane no na Energy Commission for ne de ne wo hwe
omubu nkane aton se
na sa yusu kane o mu na ho be so mo de ba
wo mo na hwe se nkane ano bo ne
na nya nkane abo no de bi na se nkane abo no de ba
enkani ande se biko ni adefo no mo no an ECG
enti e bia se o se etua 2 cities a so mo na gina ntam se etua 2 cities
no mo chiche
so ma nya ntam se etua 2 cities ko tua 10 cities a wan
no mo na chenkani
yo na wo de sa adwumakuei na ai abaya senka obeka oni Energy Commission abom na eno na eku a wo mo ehye wo mo ase no PSW eno ya Public Service Workers Union wo mo chese da bi aban se wo hwe sa emprehu na wo ye aka PURC Energy Commission abom na eye mantam David ano mampam dikapa wonya botre na won tra kire nhwemu ye pa anya sa se wo kasa nkofuri di bom pe emwa ema yen enyam wode ho nsem no enkoye wo se won kwachi kakransa esan se wo ma ejantam ma ya ye tonkane na bo no betima gina ye ene wo mo a eye kane ho totoye no ensunsuye dem papa ntiwe na wanka wo mo amumu a ene PSW for no wo mo echem se da bi abanya botre wo mo ntena se asem no wo mo ba ba mu ye na ntiase nkofom ansana watusa anamo no we the point as man pay wo de aba na asem bi da anim ha nwa papa ni nyina ne sese ukopie mu ewo atwoma mo biaja no fa ekuro ba ko ho efe no akwaboa yesi efi yakatoa pe so a Ghana sha ase abensuku nko ho da nyame adom afi ne bia koduru ho atatei omu aban su kuda etikatei wabɔ ho amane ɛwɔ anim ha chichi wachiri samno de ɛdɔso pa ma wonsanka the punch anopai na ɛkenka bi fa film yento aso
na abusuafo me fa the metro lens the bokrata no na media to osom no so e di amount na anim yanom ani watwa ne kakraka na ode aba na se do dwane de ma de shomo abu akwa south abato mpesua so eye onimonyamfo Dr. Kingsley Agyeman ana wo kire se o kai papa ya JB Dankwa Ghana eba ne abakosemu a ne din entimi mpamu da sanse wono mo konkode di omunim di omunyansa eboa ya o ma ye nya afahudie no na odi mu tintima pa na akora wo aya te beboso me ne de to so 9 ana eja wotina nanom onsia do afe apem ahankro aduosia enum 1965 ana oto anam onsia do na oto anam onsia do no fisia polepole aduosia ba kuni ana chese de e kai no na ne nkai kai mu ono so no eja ebu akwasa ato no odi ho akotene pa ho na ja ne nchikura firi enti ne mra se bedwani no wokase no chem se jebi wo ye bi o jebi Dankwa ye bi ma Ghana papa na ne nioma wo ye na se amanyakuo bi ba na se wo be so mogita o mani ase enti ebi mu ba edi ade ato no kora ne ye sesan ne ade sa de ne ye nya na papa na japade wo ye no ye dindi to so a ye ma no usampa odi se fata enti ene ye ho asem enso e wo hanom a ene opanyin no e kwan a kanta fata so du ana nsem chem nya ode agu na eno so akino chem se apomdi si achiba asoye eno eye National Health Insurance Authority for ana wan so omdi dwumadie bia ba friend say Campus Connect omdi aba na eno ba beboa se de be ya health insurance no yebetimi expand yebetimi dia ben adesuafo no ewo suapon mu enti eno ho asem enso eda hanoma ne anya asem keto akora na achem dadientem eho na JB Dankwa so yesi na sinimu ankasa obeso ohuna efiri ntina ye hyene fan no amakroma no eno a ene yesi anadwo no masoso ayi no mfa ne sen kendo ibi no omde nanam no vegel no eno yeso ma ye bi kama dia se papa no so nimonyama eho asem enso ewa ha ba ko eka ne adika dia ma grada ho asem ya the metro lens amanebo
na mede the chronicle etu apode a afanyoma keda ni mi ha na wo chese etiefo mate se ayi Kutoka International Airport yesi edi no yabasesa no eno na papa ikasa chem se mahama yesa na ene Judas abampa wo ma e wo fra wo mantem no wayo mu Judas wayo mu free ye radio dio gada etikate waboho amane ewo anim ha na ayi 24-hour economy ho nsem ya ene yesi enu amahye bodwa fie ko hwe edom kuma ne kese no twa kai we kan na we aka eno kwampo dan chan so a koko asem so da ha o na no na dom kuma no wo ka kira ban se tua koko akuafo ka o tua mo ka na koko sika ndi de pa tua mo ka akatei abo eho amane ewo the chronicle da ubo ekrate ne mu nsam na do asubra no so aso enti ene fia dai kofi yadu besia
right
na ejetuato no atwa so dia meje so ya mansa chem kwadwo bi mrekumene
adwempa hene kofi mansa adwene papa na papa ni wani mukan
Party Jack, mom, in the process, maybe so say promo code ADN. No about Insure FM, Ashaw, a basa automatically no. Yeah, chow £5 and €5, and we are more Europe. So America, Canada, yeah, chow, $10 for free. Oh, send this council, yento, tap send it there, no fee.
Hey, they just say Kayo, tap send, papa no.
Yeah, Ojo, what's on this channel? Okay, any I'm checking some from. As soon tap send Party Jack, Mama, we are saying, can you? Hey,